him? Okay, let's fix him. Whoa. Okay, let us fix him. Boo. Okay, that was actually kind of bad. Okay, look at him. He has fingers. Yeah, fingers. More fingers. A retractable sword arm. Retractable sword arm. Retractable sword arm. No, die. Okay, just a second. Okay, there we go. Retractable sword arm, like I was saying. Look at that. He used to have a head. He has a spine, a helicopter blade. Pretty cool. He also has some gears on him. Also, he has legs.